Walk, keep on walking straight to the hell we made. Why always a wall, babe, when we wanna come closer? Don't tell a million lies.
Hey you guys, so as you can see, my package came via FedEx. It took about 2 to 3 days to get to me. I always tell you guys that. So this wig is from a company called Allove Hair. It's very new to me, but they did send some goodies. They sent some lashes, some wig caps, and this cute little Christmas stocking, which I thought was adorable, and of course the wig itself. So this is a lace front, you guys. So it does have baby hairs, as you can see. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and cut off the lace, and I noticed that this wig was super snug. I did not have to adhere it to my head at all. I did use the combs that are in the front, and the comb that's in the back, I also used that along with the adjustable straps, and it's just like so perfect. Like it fit like a glove. Like as you can see, I'm tugging, I'm pulling, I'm making that little ponytail on the top because I decided to go with a half up, half down look, and I just went ahead with my Irresistible Me curling wand, just curled it up, and I did not cut the baby hairs. I didn't find it necessary with this look. I wanted to keep it, you know, just the way it is, and all I did, you guys, was curl those baby hairs. Yes, you might as well call those bangs, sis, because those things are mad long. So I just went ahead and curled those, and that's pretty much it. This was an easy to do wig. You just throw it on and you can do exactly what I'm doing. If you get it, let me know in the comment section if you guys decide to pick up this wig. I am curious to see, you know, what styles you guys come up with and all that good stuff. On that note, I will talk to you all later. I have no cons about this wig, by the way. I really don't. Like, it was effortless. No shedding, no tangling or anything like that. And as you can see, it holds a really nice curl. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. All of the details to this wig from Allove Hair will be down below in the description box as well. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell twice, so you get all of the notifications when I upload a video. And I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Now it's on your mind.